So when it comes to Apple Intelligence, there's a lot of hype around it, especially since it's only available for certain high-end iPhone models. But what are the actual practical ways to use Apple Intelligence is exactly what I'm going to show you guys in this video. These Apple Intelligence features make your life a lot smoother. So starting off with number one, we have reduce interruptions. If I just lock my device, if you pay attention to the bottom half over here, you can see that there's something that says reduce interruptions with the Apple Intelligence logo. And in order to activate this and access this, you have to go ahead and open up your control center and then click on the do not disturb. And you should have an option that says reduce interruptions. And you can set it to 1 hour until tomorrow morning, until I leave this location. If you go ahead and click on the settings, you can see that intelligent breakthrough and silencing is on. What it does is that Apple Intelligence personalizes the notification based on how urgent it is, how priority it is. It gives you the only notifications that are the most important to you personally. So that is a really cool feature that you should take advantage of. And you can obviously allow certain people to get through even if you have the reduce interruptions on with AI. You can also set up a specific schedules and customize by adding different filters and whatnot. But this is the first feature that actually is practical use of Apple Intelligence. But next up, we have clean up with Apple Intelligence. A lot of people have not even used this, not even once, even if they have the Apple Intelligence, because I'm not sure if they're not aware of it or they don't know where it's hidden, but it is hidden in your Photos application. Let me go show you guys a practical example. This is a photo that was taken in Lisbon right here with so many different people in the background. And with the magic of cleanup with Apple Intelligence, you guys can see it did a pretty decent job of removing so many different people from the background, which is crazy. So in order to do this, it's very simple. You're gonna go ahead, tap on the picture first and foremost, and click on this right here, the settings icon, and then boom, right there on the bottom, we should have the option that says cleanup. So you're gonna go ahead and click on it, and it's gonna analyze the picture real quick. And then you'll be able to, tap or brush or even circle what you want to remove. So for example, over here I want to remove, over here I want to remove, anyone else. You can just keep doing this until it gets rid of all the things that you don't want. Next up is we have a rewrite. So with this feature, you can get help from Apple Intelligence to rewrite your text anywhere, literally in any app, whether it's notes or replying back to emails, or even what I'm doing right now in the Google Docs. I'm just changing the script for this video, so it can be rewritten in any specific style, whether you want it professional or you want it to be like more casual, friendly, or even funny. Apple Intelligence can also read your text and give you suggestions to improve your text and check for any grammatical errors. This feature is extremely great because it makes a boring, repetitive email writing or just text writing so much more smoother and gives you direct access to Apple Intelligence from anywhere that you can type, and it gives you really good structure and it gives you some new ideas when you're stuck writing emails. Definitely take advantage of this feature. Next up, we have something called website summaries. In order to access this, it's super simple. You can go ahead and open up any article or any news, literally any website, and you can go ahead and click on this icon right here and click on show reader, and boom, just like that, it's going to summarize the entire website and it's going to get rid of all the stuff that you don't need to focus on. It will give you just concise form of this website. Another amazing thing is that if you just hide this reader, if you go back, you have the option to now get rid of unnecessary stuff. It's especially good if you click on hide distracting items. It's especially good for removing ads that are on the website that are too distracting. Obviously, it's not going to completely remove it forever. It's just hiding it from your view. So it's a really cool feature that you might want to take advantage of when you are browsing through articles or news articles or anything like that. So it's a really practical way to use Apple Intelligence. Last but not least, number 5, with Apple Intelligence, now you can create your own memory movies within Photos with the help of Apple Intelligence. So in order to do that, you're going to go ahead, open up your Photos. And then there's something called, if you scroll down to videos, there's something called create. So with this, with Apple Intelligence, you can create any memory that you want. You can basically type it in any specific location, any moment, any dates, or anything related to that movie that you want to create, and it will come up with literally a movie based on the prompt that you give it to. You can say my basketball game in 2 years ago, or this specific event in this location, and it's going to summarize all that stuff, but also it can detect people. So if you type in for example, your parents or your relatives or your spouse or kids, it can also come up with a movie based on those characters that you give it to. Extremely helpful to create personal movies. You don't need to do any video editing. It's very straightforward, and it gives you a real power of what Apple Intelligence can do. Nonetheless, guys, these are some of the 5 practical ways to use Apple Intelligence in your day-to-day life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, you know what to do. Leave me a big thumbs up because it really helps my channel out to reach to more people, and also subscribe down below for more interesting content just like this one. I'll catch you guys next video. Peace out.